would be the room for improvement. Let us just give one more round of applause to Pratima and so now we move to the overall evaluation of the session. The session today started at 6:35. We had very few people walking in at that point in time, and one of our tag team was missing, so it got delayed. But we started at 6:35, and the Sergeant at Arms by then had made all the arrangements, and I came in at around 6:15. All the chairs were properly lined up, and the room was spick and span with all the posters, except that perhaps we could have had this poster running lined up in a more straight manner. But otherwise, a very good job done by the Sergeant at Arms. Let us give him a big round of applause. Now, before let me finish completely on Sergeant at Arms Ankur. Today, when he started at 6:35, you could feel certain, you can call it bonhomie, or the way he so naturally is able to come and almost in a conversational manner he starts. So he pulled all the audience who were there very easily into the what was happening. He asked simple questions which anyone can answer. Like when somebody asks you in a very warm way, how do you do? So you are most likely to answer, I'm doing well. So that was the kind of warm, with a lot of warmth you brought into the room when you entered. And you also did quite a bit of research on the topic, on the theme. That is the road less taken. You gave us those 3 truth, acceptance, and a couple of other so a lot of groundwork preparing for the theme, preparing on the theme of the meeting. These are the very good aspects of, and of course you did the rudimentary job of, at the outset you point out that you have to turn off the mobile and you have to stay away from, not stay away, keep away from talking about sex, religion and politics. So very good, very well done. Only point which I can make is that when you are moving around, possibly you could move with purpose instead of moving without without any. Take some firm steps. You have very good connection with the audience. You very calm and collected way of talking to them. But if you can just root yourself to one place and talk, I guess the impact will be that much more. Just the only one point of suggestion, but let's give him a big round of applause for From the SAA, we move to our president, Dr. Rajdeep Manwani. Today he shared with us a very touching story of how the road less taken, how it applies to him. And this he shared with some very real life examples. That is what actually makes Rajdeep's speeches so very engaging. The first part of the speech was serious. He was speaking about his challenges and we were totally engrossed. And then he brought the humor, towards the end about, I forget, but towards the end of the speech, it was a lot of humor involved. And one very fantastic takeaway I would say is from Mr. Babu Rangaraj. Somebody is wanting for you to cross your hurdle so that their race can begin. In those 5 minutes, how much can a guy inspire? How much can a person inspire you? I guess you don't need any more inspiration than that for a job very well done. Let us give a big round of applause to Mr. Babu. One point of, I don't even feel like calling it a point of improvement, Rajdeep, but what I would suggest is that after you ask the people to stand, you can just tell them to sit down also, because people were left standing wondering what to do. The guests and the committee members. So just a suggestion to ask them to sit also. Otherwise, a great job. I'll cover the secretary, again, he presented the meeting in the minutes of the meeting in a unique manner. And I feel we should appreciate him for the amount of effort he puts in terms of going through what the meetings are, and otherwise the secretary's job is to come and read out whatever it is. So let us give him a big round of applause for. Not only that. I mean, the secretary's job is not just about reading out or presenting the minutes of the meeting. I don't know how many of you see the videos which are uploaded. By Sunday, all the videos of this meeting are uploaded, available on YouTube for you to. What more can you ask? So, great job, Mohammed. Wonderful way of taking care of your role. I'll come to the MC at the end of the meeting, towards the end of the evaluation. Right now, I'd like to call upon the timer to present his report.
Good evening, Toastmasters, once again. Good evening. The Sergeant at Arms, the meeting started at 6:35 p.m. today. We were late by 5 minutes. The Sergeant at Arms, Ankur, took 2 minutes 45 seconds. The President, Dr. Rajdeep Manmani, took 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Mohammed Mujassim read out the minutes of the meeting in 1 minute 55 seconds. Toastmaster of the day, Aaron Arana, so far he has taken 10 minutes and 20 seconds. General evaluator, as of now, has taken around 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Payal Gulani, giving her CC 10, took 11 minutes and 10 seconds. The other speakers, Mahavir Jain, Nandan, Jitin and Pratima were well within the time. The break went on for 7 minutes and 30 seconds. The table topic master, Mohammed, took 1 minute and 40 seconds. All the table topic speakers were also well within time, except Vijay Anand, who overshot by 10 seconds. The evaluators, Aaron Watson, took 4 minutes 20 seconds. Joseph Das, evaluating for Mahavir, took 1 minute 55 seconds. Sapna for Nandan took 1 minute 40 seconds. Robinson D'Souza took 3 minutes for evaluating Nitin. And DTM Sumitra Mohan took 2 minutes 40 seconds for evaluating Pratima's speech. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Sahil. Very crisp and very well read out the report. Only thing is, I know your voice is very loud and it's audible to everyone, but coming here is all about stage time. This is your moment, this is your report. Come over here, you have an opportunity to read it out, and of course, you get to face the audience. So, make it a point. Now, I'll request the R counter to come forward, please. R counter Ravi Raju, please go ahead.
As an R counter, this is my apart first travel to me. Hope this word be a colorful and a new. Moving on to the recordings. Ankur's Sergeant at Arms 1 filler. Alan 7 fillers and 1 repetition. Prakash 6 fillers, 1 repetition. Sahil 1 filler. Then Mahavir Jain 1 long pause and 1 repetition. Nandan 1 long pause. Jitain 1 short pause. Joseph Das 1 short pause, 1 long pause. Sapna 4 fillers. Robinson 1 repetition. Vijay Anand 1 short pause, 1 filler. Mansi 1 short pause, 1 repetition. Kishore 1 short pause, 2 fillers. Godfrey 1 filler. Abhinav 2 fillers. Thank you.
For a report well read out and also the nice bit of humor in the beginning. Good. And now may I request Grammarian Paresh Rawal to please join us on stage.
Good evening once again.
Good evening. Good evening.
Well, the good usages were insightful, success is a journey and not a destination, heeded to my heart, plunge into the unknown, yes to life, comfort in discomfort, to win begin, a triad. Joseph Das had used a triad also, the CCC. And Nandan, in his first speech, he really used a lot of triads. Maybe possibly 4 or 5 triads he has used. That's a good thing, in CC1. Then Pratima, that is OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. And bittersweet relationship. And not so good usages, I didn't find much. A few were there, but speak the topic could be speak on the topic. Not taken, nobody's name could be anybody's name. Wanted to try was wants to try. And another place could be the other side, like he was talking about the river, it could be the other side. And the word avenue, it was used, not a single speaker used the word avenue, but 2 of the table topic speakers, Mr. Vijay Anand and Godfrey. They used the word avenue as well as the theme. And in fact, Ravi, our art counter, he also used the word avenue. Thank you.
So now coming to the most important role, the Toastmaster of the day. Alan, we all know, is a fantastic speaker, a cool and calm and collected person on stage. So lot of us here call him the rock star of on stage speaking. So Alan brought up as an MC today, the role of Alan or any MC's role is primarily to be a kind of a chord for the entire meeting. He pulls everything together, all the disjointed speeches, the different speakers, he connects them together, and this he did fantastically. Right up front, when he was introducing, he brought a very refreshing view to the topic. We all were talking about the road less taken and people, fantastic celebrities doing it, and he asked us to look at ourselves, how many of us in our own journey we have faced challenges, and at times we have taken the lesser known road, the unknown road, and come out successfully. So a lot of times we do that mistake, we keep looking at things outside, we forget what are our strengths, what we have gone through in our journey. So great job, Alan. As I said, yes, as an MC, his role was primarily to put the entire meeting together. Especially today, there were 5 speeches, and it calls for remembering the introductions of 5 different speakers, and then when you're emceeing 5 different speeches, you introduce the speaker, you introduce the speech, and then when you come back, you try to comment something about that speech, and then pull it to the next speech. I mean, this was done fantastically well, almost for all the speeches, and I think we should definitely give Alan a fantastic big round. Only probably in one of them you missed out, it was Mahavir's, and considering that it was his first speech, he would have been disappointed, but I think that was a minor thing to miss out on. Basically, the expectation level as you come on stage become higher and higher. So even the smallest thing comes out. So great job done, Alan. I look forward to having you more often in our midst during our club meetings. And I think I missed out on. I think I left Mohammed was also the Toastmaster for the table topics master for the day. Well done, Mohammed. I mean, you used a very simple way of conducting it, and the best. I mean, like they say, the proof of the pudding is in its eating. The very fact that almost all the speakers who came on stage spoke reasonably well, that shows that he has done the required amount of groundwork to get to conduct this table topics in a commendable manner. So let's give Mohammed just with that, I would like to end with my general evaluation for the day. I look forward to having more guests in the future. Let me hand it over to Alan Arana.
Thank you, Prakash. I would like to take this opportunity. Right now, I am very thankful and honored to be the MC today. I would really like to thank the committee for giving me this opportunity. But most importantly, I would like to thank all of